Welcome, today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Power Key into a Poco X4 GT. First of all, open your settings, scroll down and find additional settings option. Here I choose Gangster Shortcuts option. And now, first option in the list will be Launch Google Assistant. Tap, and here we got activate this option, press and hold the Power Key for half second. So for turn off this option, need click one more time, and this position like gray, it's turn off this option, and this like blue, it's activate this option. So let's try, press and hold, and how you can see we activate our Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.